I think they both made an amazing job. Hello guys from my street Iacopelli, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be very interesting. I find this oven Revolve, and I recently reviewed one, the Gozney Arc versus also I reviewed the Revolve. So if you didn't see the two reviews, please go ahead and check out these two amazing unboxing and review for in-depth videos about each other's. So I believe that these two ovens are perfectly comparable. So here we are, because the prices are about the same. The sides are the same. This one have a little bit of things extra, but this one also have a little bit of things extra. Anyway, watch until the end, because this video is going to be interesting, and I'm very excited to show you the pizza. So today we are going to see the timing, how long these pizza ovens will cook the pizza, and we're going to see both pizzas, how they will be cooked. So first thing, here we are. Both, they come with the covers. We don't need it because it's not raining. Second, they are both in gases. Both ovens, they take about the same time to heat up, because they have only stone on the bottom and the rest is metal. What else? This one extra comes with, well, it doesn't come with the stand, but you can buy the stand separate. Also, this one probably yes, I don't know, I'm not sure. Check out the website, link below. But this one extra, look at this is special. You can press this, boom, and like a magic, the stone starts to twist. How interesting is that? This is the first ever home oven rotating stone I ever see in my life. So that's why I say today I'm going to review in depth these two ovens. So both comes with the peels. What is this? The only thing that this one, the Gozney one, is a little bit small. This one is a little bit heavier, but that's a good material, I can tell. So let's get into the sides. Look at this. We're gonna compare the ovens on the sides. So I don't want you to say this is a one, compare this one. This is about 2 centimeters, like 1 inches, this much larger. Deep, boom, voila. There's a side, deep. Yep. This is definitely deeper than this much. This much. But keep in mind, this is the perfect size. It's 12 inches pizza. So I'm going to make a 12 inches pizza. This is a 10 inches. That's a 12 inches. So the peel, you can make a 12 inches pizza. Perfect for the rotating pizza stone. This one, you can make a pizza 14 inches. But definitely you need a peel. Without peel, how are you gonna make the 14 inches pizza? Because on my deep review, I tried to make the 14 inches but didn't have a peel. So anyway, let's go ahead. Let's measure the temperature, because they've been on for 40 minutes. Oh, they both come with the gun. Oh, can I have the dough? Give me the dough. Thank you so much. Voila, look at this. The perfect dough. By the way, check out my channel for more how to make this perfect pizza dough. So besides that, I'm gonna go ahead, give me this gun. They both come with the gun. I think they're both the same. Look at this. Actually, this is a little bit more professional right there. Let me see. Yeah, a little bit more. The screen protector is a little bigger. So here we got 370 Celsius, the stone. Here we got 373 stones, the stone. Let's see if this one is the same. This is Fahrenheit. Let's go to the, this, it shows 400 here. It shows above 400 here. How come? Hold on. Anyway, we have both temperature the same. So I think after 40 minutes, these two ovens, they went in temperature at the same time. So they are really comparable. I know you talk too much. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Sometimes I get tired of listening myself. Let's go ahead. Let's not waste the time. Put this back there. Thank you so much. And let's start this in-depth comparisons. By the way, what do you guys think about the look? Which one looks better? I think they both made an amazing job. Revolve, you really surprised me with this rotating pizza oven. And the look, colorful, nice. Gozney, you really surprise me all the time. Anyway, let's touch the top. It's hot, but you can touch. About the same. This is a little bit lightly colder. Boom, voila, this is the pizza dough. Let's make this fast. Voila, so flour with semolina. There, flour in the container. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and make the pizzas both margherita because we wanna judge the cooking process, not the pizza, okay? So we're gonna make a margherita. Let's go ahead, press. Press, Press. Fast, excited. Take off the flour, little trick, one hand here, boom, up, make a large, find the spot, and boom, voila, don't touch anymore. Again, dun, dun, dun. Remove the flour out of the way, press, gentle, the air to the crust. Same thing, flip it over upside down, keep in mind, the bottom part needs to stay on the bottom, otherwise it's not gonna blow. Press, control, little trick, tuck, pump. The pizza is lovely ready. It's gonna take 10 seconds to make the pizza. Now, tomato sauce. Also, I'm moving on because it's getting dark. So I don't wanna waste a video. So, tomato sauce everywhere, little bit on the crust. Let's put some basil on the pizza. You can also put the basil after, but in this case, we're not interested in making like a fancy pizza. Parmesan cheese. I'm making exactly the same pizzas. Fresh mozzarella, handful of fresh mozzarella. Handful of fresh mozzarella, about 100 grams each pizza. Guys, you learn all the secret on my channel for free. But also, I have a professional pizza course for home and business. If you want to check it out, link in description. Olive oil on top of the basil. Boom. Voila. Woo. Ready to see this review? Let's move this camera. Now I don't want to edit the time here, okay? No editing. Okay guys, it's time to go in the oven. So we're gonna put the pizza first there. Lower down the flame like I always do. Lower down the flame in both ovens because you keep the oven hot and then when you put the pizza, lower down. Now, flour and then bring the pizza on the peel. Like you can see here, we are making the pizza 12 inches. Ready? So I'm gonna move fast. 1, 2. Boom! The pizza is turning by himself. Then, well, let's put this pizza same thing with this one. Voila. And voila. Both pizzas are in the oven. Start the time right now. And lower flame. I think I'm gonna raise a little bit. Okay, little bit. Don't stop, stay there, don't stop. Let me check this camera here, camera A. Let's bring this close up. Look how this pizza is turning. I'm doing anything there. Raise a little bit the flame. This one, we have to turn it. I'm checking the bottom. Sta registrando, she is turning, is recording over there. Thank you so much. You fix the ISO later. This one is cooking, Wow, they're about the same, so it's crazy. Let's raise a little bit the flame there. This is cooking lovely. I'm gonna lower down a little bit. I think We have to cook. We have to cook the pizza at a lower flame there. Uh-oh. Yes. First time ever cooking the pizzas here and there. This one, I'm not touching it. So keep that in mind. This one, I'm working a little bit. Check the bottom. Just keep turning there by himself. Wise. Goes automatic. Okay. This one is about to be ready. 3, 2, 1, you zoom out, okay? 3. Zoom out, zoom out. 3, 2, 1. First pizza in the Gozney. It's ready. I'm gonna place it on the left side. Boom. This one is also ready. Boom, 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 boom. Let's put it aside. Come this side, come this side. I don't want the people to say you switch the pizza, blah, blah, blah. Boom. Voila. Let's turn it off the stone there. The moment of the truth, guys. The Gozney Arc versus the Revolve. Rotating pizza oven for home. Insane. Anyway, they both cook it super well. This one, I got a little bit distracted, you know, because when you're cooking, you have to focus when you cook the pizza. So I got a little bit overcooked the top, but it's still perfect. This one was cooked at the perfection. I didn't do anything. This one I turn it. So I have to say, for me, the Revolve cooked much, much more easily. For beginners, Revolve, you put the pizza inside, boom, and take it out. What I suggest is don't keep the stone turning once you're putting the pizza inside, because it's a little bit difficult. So turn it off, put the pizza, and turn it on, and the stone turns. So that way it's much easier. So this is the pizzas. Let's check out first the side. So this is one, the Revolve. Keep judging right there. We got some bubbles here and there because the pizza is full of air. Nice, soft and crunchy, soft and crunchy. So both pass the sound. Now let's check out this one. Also, this is a little bit well done here because it's my fault, my mistake, but it was cooked perfectly, fast. Now the most interesting part. Let's check out the bottom. Let's check out the Gozney Arc versus the Revolve. The flower. Perfect bowl. This one got a little bit more charm. If you are a beginner, I have to say this one, go with this one because it's much more easy on cooking. Again, that thing of rotating is unbeatable. This one also, it's easy, good looking. They are really light, both of them. You can put it whatever you like. I love the design. Even that one is nice. I mean, what I have to say, I got both. I'll keep both because I like both. So, guys, I think now it's just a matter of prices, honestly. So, check out the links below in description. And guys, please judge below what do you think of these two pizza ovens. What do you think? Comment below which one is better for you. If they're both really nice, go ahead, comment both. Oh, what I want to know is what do you think about this video? Go ahead, smash the like, subscribe, and I'll see you every week with new video. Thank you so much. We just passed 1.3 million subscribers. Thank you, guys. From the bottom of my heart, soft and crunchy, always. Ciao.